So Sudeep, firstly tell me, how did this idea of making a series like Patal Lok come to your mind?
Uh, I mean, there were various things that we sort of wanted to explore with the show, that we wanted to say with the show, and a long form, by virtue of being long form and giving you that much more time. It just there's that much more room for to be able to play with more complex stories and more layered characters. So the starting point was really to explore the idea of India, or the idea
Okay.
of three Indias existing within this one India,
Yeah.
which in the show we are calling the three loks.
Looks. Yeah.
Uh, so that was one of the themes that we kind of caught upon early on. It was also to tell a good crime, and so basically spine it up with a good crime investigation drama, a good crime investigation drama story where the plot is that there is an attack that is about to happen on the life of a primetime journalist, and there are four people who are nabbed in the process, and the case lands up with this one particular cop who feels that this is his big ticket shot at success. And as he starts to explore, there are various layers that emerges from the case. There are multiple truths that come out that sort of do not sit with his initial judgment of the case, and what follows from there actually.
Okay. And tell me something, Avinash, who's directed, did he come on board afterwards, or did you two sort of started it together?
No, I was writing it with the team of writers. We had, for about a couple of years. It took us a lot of time to get it right. It was the first time any of us were doing it. The other writers with me on this were Hardik Mehta, Gunjit Chopra, and Sagar Haveli. So after we had finished writing it, is when we started looking at the process of first getting the directors on board, and that's when Avinash Arun and Proshit Roy came in. Proshit, I have worked with earlier on Pari. I was creative producer, which on the film that he directed, and he also happens to be a dear friend. So Proshit was an immediate choice. Avinash and I had never met, and in fact we met once very briefly in a public setting about 3 years back, and then kind of lost touch. But there was something about him that kind of stayed with me. There was some connection that we had built, and I kind of called him out of the blue, and he wanted to read the material, of course, and create the material, and he liked it, and he came on board, and that's how we became a team.
Okay, that's great. Also, if you go to see the cast, it's filled with acclaimed actors. Like your cast is really nice. So how did this casting process go on? And you told in another interview that Jaideep was your first choice, like for the cop,
Yes.
of the cop.
Yes.
How did picturize it?
So I mean, the casting was actually one of the most difficult things that we did in this. I mean, it was difficult simply because of the magnitude of the job at hand. We had to cast 225 speaking parts, and we ended up, watching thousands and thousands of auditions. It all became a blur after a point. But there were some actors who kind of fitted in naturally, and who were our first choice. Jaideep was the first choice that we always had, simply because I mean, he's a phenomenal actor. He's also an actor. I believe who hasn't gotten his due so far in the industry. He's a far better actor than the roles that have been offered to him so far. Also, Jaideep hails from Haryana, which was an added advantage, because the kind of authenticity that we knew he would bring on screen, would be unparalleled. Apart from that, a lot of his family, friends hail from police forces, armed forces. He really wanted to join the army at one point of time. So he just kind of fitted in naturally for this part. The other casting, it took a while. The casting was done by Casting Day, which is a company run by Abhishek Banerjee, who's one of the actors, and Anmol Ahuja. Abhishek, would come to us with casting deck, and we would have our meetings and stuff. And he actually wanted to play the role of another character in the show, Ansari.
Oh, okay.
But there was something about him. I always tell him that there is a crazy man inside him.
Okay.
And I mean it in a very nice way. He's a lovely guy and he's great, fun to hang out with, and he has a lovely sense of humor. But there is a crazy man inside him. There is no denying that.
Okay.
And we sort of wanted to explore that, so we asked him to audition, and he was keen, but he was also nervous because he didn't think that we would be offering him that part.
Yeah.
But when he sent his audition, it was just dynamite. Actually, his audition was so good that we looked at it and we were like, this is it. This is Tyagi. Neeraj, of course, was again one of our early choices. We wanted someone with the gravitas and someone with the craft of Neeraj for that particular role, which was quite complex, and so on and so forth.
Okay, that's nice. Also, the platform it's coming on Amazon, which is like a great platform for all, I think, for these kind of web shows. So, and it's being produced by Anushka Sharma's company. So all of this, was it planned from the first stage that, we'll release it on a very big platform and we'll have like good producers? Was it like planned from the early stage?
Yes, it was. The entire team was formed pretty early on, right from right after we decided upon the story. Anushka and Pranesh and the company that they run, Clean Slate Films, they came on board as the producers. Amazon came on board as the studio behind this. That team was formed from day one.
Okay, that's great. Also, there are like several crime dramas that are coming up every now and then in the web space. So if I may ask you that, if you have to explain one thing that's different in this show, what would it be?
I can't claim to have seen all the crime shows that have come out, or all the shows that have come out. So I don't know what's different about it. What could be possibly interesting for the viewer for this? It's not or at least we have tried to not do a simplistic crime drama. We have tried to keep it layered. We have tried to also seep in some character study along with the thrills and frills of a crime drama. So hopefully that provides for a more complete, sort of more engrossing experience.
Okay. And I was reading another interview of yours where you called it a creator's dream. So why did you call it that? Like, you have been, of course, a part of excellent projects and you have written a lot of things as well. So what made you, say that this particular project is a creator's dream?
Oh, just the opportunity to be able to tell a complex story. In the right way, with the right sort of budgets and the right sort of backing, with the right collaborative spirit. Both Amazon and Clean Slate, they were in it for the love of it. The idea was to, from day one, to tell the story in the best possible way, rather than to cut corners or to just finish it. We took as much time as was needed to write it, and there was never this urge to start shooting because we should, because we have been writing for a year and a half or whatever. We wrote it for 2 years, before we really thought that we have got it right. It was just from day one a very collaborative and a sort of a very empowering process for all of us.
Okay, that's great. Also, the current situation that we are in, web is doing fantastic because everyone's sitting at home and watching so many shows. So do you think that will also sort of like garner more attention towards your show?
I don't know about that. See, all I can say is that these are very difficult times that the world is going through, and if by virtue of coming at this time, we are able to entertain, engage the viewers. We are able to take their minds off everything else that's been going on for the last couple of months, then we would feel very happy about it, because we didn't plan for it. We've been working on this show for 4 years. We didn't know that we are going to release at a time like this, but now that we are, I hope it gets seen, and it throws something at people, which takes their minds off all the bullshit around.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Also, what are your expectations as a creator from the show? And also, I want to know that the moment you started creating it, has it been different after, it's releasing and, after it's like coming out in some time? So, has it been different?
No, not really. I mean, the expectation always was to tell a good story. I do this because I love writing, and for me that is sacrosanct. And it's about getting the writing right, and the objective from day one was to just tell a story with some amount of craft and some amount of honesty, and tell an engaging story, and it has remained the same. We still hope that it gets seen in that light.
Okay, that's great. Also, for the people who are about to, some people are like really excited to watch it because it's like a dark show and it's coming out after a long period of time. A show like this is, they'll get to see. So if one message for all the fans out there who are going to watch it, you have to give.
Oh, I hope you like it. I mean, that's the only message I have. I mean, we have made it with a lot of love. We have made it with a lot of honesty and a lot of hard work. I guess everybody does that. Nobody churns something out that they're not proud of. I mean, I just hope as one of the people behind it, that the whole team is hoping that it gets seen and gets seen the right way, and that people enjoy it.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for joining us today, Sudeep.
Thank you, Ruchita. Thank you.
Bye-bye.